Here's some computer help for you. I'm going to show you how to create a link in a Word document that connects one section to another within the same document. Here's my sample document. It's a 2-page document. On page 1, you'll see the word 1. On page 2, you can see the word 2. I'll make a link to jump from the first page to the second. First, I'll go to the place where the link should send the reader when clicked. In this case, I'll highlight the word 2. I then go up to the ribbon at the top, and under Insert, I click on Bookmark. I'll name it 2. Then I click the Add button. I then scroll up to the word that should become the clickable link. I highlight that word, 1. Then, again in the Insert section at the top, I look for the Link section. I click on the button. A window pops up. I click on the Place in this document button in the left side menu. I click on the word 2 under Bookmarks. Then I click the OK button. Now, my link within my document is set. I test it by pushing the Control button while clicking on the link. And you can see it functions. If this has been helpful to you, I hope you'll click the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.